in the west right now as rain and snow finally is going to return to California in just a matter of days.
It is just a matter of days, and we could probably say finally. Let's get some local perspective on that and see if KNBC meteorologist Crystal Egger agrees with that sentiment.
Yeah.
Finally, Crystal, saying goodbye to that ridge.
My vacation is over. No, I'm just kidding. No, things are about to get really exciting on the West Coast. It's like the fourth quarter, you guys, of El Nino, and we're going to make a comeback here in March. Things are looking interesting not only this weekend, but beyond that. So we're just getting started. This ridge we've talked about for so long has deflected all of the rain to the Pacific Northwest, some of the wettest winters north of us, and it's been pretty good for Northern California. But now we're going to move that rain through the entire state and open up the door, you guys, for this parade of Pacific storms. And as you know, we just had kind of a disappointing snowpack measurement yesterday.
Yeah, and we do know that even now some of the models are starting to trend towards even wetter conditions for this weekend, and it also means even more in amounts of snowfall, several feet.
That's right. Great news. You know, that's our savings account by the time we get into spring and summer. We draw from the snowpack, so we really want to keep it high, especially when we start out the month of April. So we're going to add a couple feet, and keep in mind, this is just the projected 5 to 7 day forecast, and then it looks unsettled through at least the middle of March, so there will be more on the way. Rainfall amounts will be heaviest to the north, up to 7 inches or more in some areas, and then here in Southern California we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. It's great for fire concerns. We really want to see the heaviest rain in the central and northern part of the state. So things are looking up. It's not going to get us out of the drought, but it's certainly going to make a positive impact here across the state.
All right, Crystal, so we know there's a lot of positives with getting the rain for the water supply and the snow for the same reason, but is there any red flags you're looking at going forward as far as potential problems with the rain?
Absolutely. Localized flooding, urban street flooding. Clear the storm drains now while you can. Also, mountain travel is going to be a concern. Winter driving conditions coming back. We also have thunderstorms in the forecast, including Los Angeles here on Monday. And if we get too much rain in a short amount of time, you guys, there's always a threat for mudslides and debris flows. Very wet in Sacramento. An exciting forecast ahead.
All right, KNBC